one of my colleagues told me that there is this app called GamaAi in which you can make the presentations very quickly. So is it better to use that, or is it good? Because in this case, I have to connect to Canva. I may need to have a Canva subscription, which I don't have. So what is the better way to go through that or to go through this?
Two. One is the this interface that you're seeing, it's inside Canva, and the presentation that you're seeing, this is Gamma made actually. So I made this slide and this slide and these slides and all with Gamma itself. So the best way is for you to build it with Gamma and then edit it inside Gamma, inside Canva. So once you build it in Gamma, there's gonna be something like a watermark here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I mean there will be watermark here saying made by Gamma. So you once make it in Gamma, upload it into Canva, and then go ahead and delete the watermarks from all the slides. Canva will let you do that, and then do further editing, refining, put in your company logo, give it a company's hue, color, or whatever customizes that you want. You can do it. So you have to have a workflow of one, generating content from ChatGPT using one of the frameworks, two, generating the presentation from Gamma, getting the presentation content from ChatGPT and putting it into Gamma. And then once the output comes out of Gamma in a presentation format, taking that and inputting it into Canva, and then basically go ahead and further customizing and personalizing. This would give you a very powerful presentation in less than 15 to 20 minutes, and another, let's say, 15 minutes for you to edit it. In 45 minutes, you will have a very powerful presentation instead of starting from scratch.